Jam, how do you create that job description, the ones that you post in social media? When do you do that? Okay, do you have templates for that? Let's talk about that in this video. Hey guys, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA Community and University, and welcome to our new series called the VA Sorcerer Live. And for today, we're gonna talk about like how do I create the job descriptions and the posting templates online, yung mga pinapost natin. And it's very very easy. All you need to do is to have that job description. Usually the team forwards that to you, recruitment forwards that to you, the sales team forwards that to you, and then at the second time you do the edits. Usually you have the template at the same time, ita-transfer mo na lang siya dyan. All you have to do is to have Canva and notes, period. Okay, same computer. So guys, tara, di pa tayo sa laptop, okay? First is, let's start with the job description. Ayan. So usually it's in our CRM already, and I just copy and paste everything. But first is you create a template. What are the things that should be in that job description template? Basically, of course, like a one-liner that, okay, we have a remote work opportunity alert, so they know that it's 100% work from home. And then what position, for example, video or content editor, what contract type, is it part-time? Pag part-time, 10 to 20 hours a week. Pag full-time, 30 to 40 hours a week. Project-based, depende, you put it there. Time zone, of course, like here it's Australian time zone. Compensation, of course, how much US dollars per hour or Australian dollars per hour. You have to be very specific. Canadian dollars per hour. You have to be very specific. Minsan, it's already a monthly rate of 1,500, USD per month. It depends, okay? Sometimes it's the range. 8 to 10 US dollars an hour, depends on experience. They put it there. And three basic things that you need to add there: responsibilities, requirements, and tools. Responsibilities are what do you do? What will you do as a video editor, for example? So nandito na ako lagay 1, 2, 3, 4 bullet points only. The simpler, the better. And then requirements. What are your requirements? Okay. What are the basic things that this specific person has to have? What are the basic skills that they must have? So these are the things that are written here. And then the tools. What type of tools that you want them to be proficient with? Of course, these are the tools that you're already using as a client already. So usually, ito yung mga nakalagay dito, ginagamit na ng business ng client nila, na dapat magaling ka na sa particular tool na to. So just basic. And then of course, how do they move forward? Usually, they tell you to send an email or go through the link. I personally prefer link. Kung wala pa kayong project management, you can use Google Forms, because you don't like the feeling of being flooded with emails just for resumes. Okay? Make your email address as peaceful as possible, no? And to be accessed by important people. But I'm not saying talents are not important people, they are. But you're gonna be flooded, girl. Trust me. So I suggest go for an application form. And all that you need from them should be there in one look. The shorter and the easier, the better. And then final remarks, or like me, sobrang chill lang. Good luck. So these are the things that I edit. Once I have it there, so I'm looking for a video editor. Now it's time for me to create a graphic design. I'm not good at graphic design, so I use Canva. So I just go to design and choose job opening. Enter. And then I will just choose. Ayan o, may nahanap na ako eh. Pack. Diba? I'll just remove this. Change this to a logo. Right? Change this to a logo, whatever logo that is. Usually, we hire people to do the custom job templates already. Graphics para it's on brand. Ayan. So yan, video editor. Tapos I just put here at the center na parang check Lou, check this the full description to apply. Ganyan. So that's what I do. Back. I can even change this to something else. I can change this to color white if I want, and then go to elements. Let's look for for what do you call that? Goggles. Goggles ba yun? Magnifying glass na lang pala. Oh, ayan. You can do that. So, there are a lot of ways to do that. No? Or you can use this. Oh, pak! Oh, diba? Pak! Oh, that's already your that's already your job opening graphic. We're hiring video editor. Click the full description to apply, and then pak. You save that, and you post it everywhere you want. And you post it in the description, and then you're done. So that's how we do it. That's how I do my job description and the graphics, and that's how I post it online. Very easy. Just wait for the document from the sales team or from the recruitment team or from the CRM that you're using or the project management tool that you're using. Put that in your template, make that super easy graphic, and start posting about it all over online. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye!